Short performance analysis of renewable energy-based distributed generation system using and tuned UPQC.
Or abstract.
The main objective of this project is to analyze the performance of a renewable energy-based distributed generation system using an artificial neural network-tuned unified power quality conditioner. The study focuses on evaluating the effectiveness of the proposed system in improving power quality and reducing losses in the distribution network. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and reference.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
In this project, the supply to the nonlinear loads is considered from grid. Due to nonlinearity of loads, power quality issues may arise. In order to overcome these, renewable energy-based UPQC is employed to provide continuous supply. The UPQC is controlled by using an based controlling topology for reducing power quality issues. This project was implemented and tested by using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. In this project, the use of an untuned UPQC in a renewable energy-based distributed generation system has been shown to effectively improve power quality and mitigate disturbances. The results of the project demonstrate the potential for such systems to improve the performance and efficiency of distribution networks. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.